Uh, yes, Margaret. Her agency was born from the patriarchy, and we love her, and we love the men of the patriarchy. So, you know, most women of today would probably have almost nothing without democracy. Uh, they'd still be getting no land, no money, and no rights. They'd be uh, beaten and all this other nasty stuff in this kind of patriarchal society. So all the women of today, that would have a huge thanks to democracy for allowing the women to be treated better than this patriarchal state of nature. So women, commit crimes, but seems mainly because of the influence of men with the alpha predator male culture and society of patriarchy. So now, as I've said, no more than if it's men or versus women, it's about our mind state and the behavior it causes. It causes. It's our agency. It's not women versus men, and it's not really alpha predator male agency versus familial agency. It's more like women and men and everyone working together to actualize from this state of nature, alpha patriarchy, into a more familial potential, this more powerful destiny. Women can have this alpha predator male agency, this more patriarchal agency, and men can have a more familial one. The primary variable is influencing this outcome is the environment provided. However, as mentioned, the environment initially provided by severely afflicted men, patriarchy, causes everyone to be violent. We have to understand also that the alpha predator male agency in afflicted men is created by an oppressive environment, the oppressive primal state of nature. When we zoom out, we start to perceive the violent behaviors we see not as evil behaviors that are the result of evil individual personal choices, but as violent parts of the oppressive state of nature from which people have emerged. That's just people in a not fully refined state of nature. It's not evil, but we evolve from this base, not fully refined state of nature, into our more familial potential. Criminal behavior is a link in a very long, very violent chain interaction that is the universe. There was abuse and violence long before humans and long before life. It's a ever series of less and less violent. It gets more and more hospitable. So we accept criminal behavior as just kind of a part of the chaos of the cosmos, the chaos of the human behavior, linked to the chaos from which it emerged. So it's not people's fault. It's just the oppressive interaction they have inherited from the universe. And we have to get out of it with family.